Imagine waking up on Mars, seeing the red landscape stretch endlessly before you. No blue sky, no oceans, just a new frontier waiting to be explored. Sounds like science fiction? Well, not if Elon Musk has his way. His ambitious plan to colonize Mars is unlike anything in human history. But can it actually happen? Let's dive into the reality of SpaceX's bold vision. Why Mars? Out of all the planets in the solar system, why has Musk set his sights on the red planet? For one, it has a thin atmosphere, frozen water, and day lengths similar to Earth's. But it's still an incredibly harsh environment. Musk believes humanity needs to become a multi-planetary species to survive. With threats like climate change, asteroid impacts, and even self-inflicted destruction, Mars is seen as our best backup plan. SpaceX isn't just dreaming of Mars, they're actively building the technology to get us there. The key? Starship. This fully reusable spacecraft is designed to carry 100 passengers per trip, drastically cutting the cost of space travel. Musk estimates that one day a ticket to Mars could cost as little as $100,000. But the big question is, how will this actually work? Traveling to Mars is no simple road trip. At its closest, Mars is still 34 million miles away. That means a journey would take about 6 to 9 months. SpaceX plans to launch fleets of Starships when Earth and Mars align every 26 months, ensuring the most efficient travel time. But what happens when we arrive? Landing on Mars is just the beginning. Colonizing it? That's the real challenge. SpaceX envisions a self-sustaining city with habitats, power sources, and food production. The plan involves setting up solar panels for energy, using Martian water for drinking and fuel, and even 3D printing buildings from local materials. But there's one major problem. How do we survive the extreme cold, deadly radiation, and lack of breathable air? Living on Mars is nothing like living on Earth. Temperatures drop to -80 degrees Fahrenheit. Radiation exposure is extreme, and the atmosphere is mostly carbon dioxide. SpaceX is considering underground shelters, protective domes, and even genetically modifying crops to withstand Martian soil. But how will humans adapt? Some scientists believe we can turn Mars into a second Earth through terraforming, warming the planet, thickening its atmosphere, and making liquid water flow. Musk has even suggested using nuclear explosions over Mars's poles to release trapped CO2. But realistically, terraforming could take centuries. So in the short term, we need to focus on survival, not transformation. Elon Musk believes we could see humans on Mars within the next decade, with a full colony by 2050. But many experts argue that technical, financial, and ethical hurdles could push this timeline back significantly. Even with rapid advancements, Mars colonization will require massive international cooperation and billions, if not trillions, of dollars. So, is Musk's dream realistic? Despite the challenges, the dream of Mars colonization represents something greater, the next step in human evolution. Whether Musk succeeds or not, his vision is pushing science and engineering forward at an incredible pace. Will we see humans on Mars in our lifetime? Only time will tell. But one thing's for sure, the journey to the stars is just beginning. What do you think? Will humans colonize Mars, or is it just a sci-fi dream? Let us know in the comments. And if you want more mind-blowing content on space and science, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more. The future is out there. Let's explore it together.